going to be talking about vectors. And let me start with an example that will show us why vectors are so useful. So we have someone that moves over a distance of 30 meters. That person could be moving towards the east over a distance of 30 meters, could be moving towards the north over a distance of 30 meters. Of course, it could be moving towards the west over a distance of 30 meters or towards the south. So it could be moving towards any direction. So we do not have enough info if we only use the 30 meters. We have to find the direction of the moving person. So when we're dealing with moving objects or moving persons, we have to use vectors to have all the info to modelize this kind of situation. So the origin of the vector is going to be the starting point of the arrow. Its endpoint is going to be the end of the vector. Let me draw the vector AB right here. So the vector AB is going to be an arrow like this. The starting point is going to be A, and the end point is going to be B. So we have a nice arrow like that. And the name of that arrow is going to be A, B, and we usually put an arrow on top of the letters to tell the reader that this is a vector. So it's not just a number. It's not just 30. It's 30 with a direction, a length, and an orientation. So we have to be very careful with that. It's not just a number. So how do we draw a vector? Well, usually we start with a direction, which is usually drawn as a dotted line like that. So we draw a dotted line that is going to be your direction. So this is the direction of the vector. We afterwards can draw a vector over this direction. So this vector is going to have, of course, a length. So the length is going to be the distance from start point to end point. So this is going to be the length of the vector. And the vector is going to have also an orientation, which is given by the side where you put the arrow, because we could have the arrow here or here. So we have a different vector right here with a different orientation, but same length as this one, and also same direction. So that's it. See you in the next video.